Alright, I have another PlayStation 5 here that I opened up. And somebody else was inside. That's not how you put this on, but okay. Boom! Flux and a lot of nonsense here. I'm sure there's gonna be rip traces. Let's take this apart, go to the microscope. I'm not excited about this one at all. It has a UV curable mask already on it, so that means that there's trace work done before. Alright, and here's the damage under the microscope here. You can barely even see the freaking pins. The blob is right here. We're gonna have to remove this and clean up somehow. Let's do our best here. Okay, this stuff is rock solid here, and it's taking a long time to peel off. So I don't want to damage any of the rest of the components, so I'm doing this very slowly. Okay, this is proving impossible to just scrape away at it, as there are components underneath here and I don't want to damage anything. So I'm gonna have to look for a chemical. I need to get one of these, and I think I have MEC right here, methyl ethyl ketone. I have one here, the MEC substitute. Alright, well, I'm trying it here and it doesn't seem to be doing anything. I am picking up some green on the Q-tip, so let's keep on doing it for a little bit longer. After 5 minutes here, it looks better, but still, we got like maybe 4 hours of this. And no way, I definitely need a stronger chemical here. So I removed my port here as well as I'm cleaning up, and I'm seeing all that damage on the board. And I don't see any traces here that are ripped. I'm really so confused as to what happened before. I'm just gonna put a port on and test. Alright, I have the new port on here. Perfect. Let's go test with that blob. Alright, I put it together enough just to test. It still powers on, that's good. The tester says that it's okay. And we do have it on the screen, wow.